Stella, you wanna go bang?
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Daisy! Hi! Oh god.
Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow to get some more walnuts. You are my favorite person in the neighborhood.
On you. Watch out, oh, watch.
Kaiser. Smile! Show me your smile. Smile! Oh, so handsome!
Don't you yell at your mother. You think that's funny?
Yo, Buster, check that bitch out right there. No, she didn't. Psh, what a bugs.
Hating, patrolling and trying to catch me right.